In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a makeup setting spray using only a few products. I did purchase all products from Dischem, and in this bottle or in this set we are just going to use the spray bottle. Now the bottle is already clean from the package, but normally we just, even if you use a bottle from a previous setting spray, you can just rinse out the bottle nicely and make sure that your bottle is dry before starting. Not all the products that I'm using are necessary, but I will show you which are and which not. The first product that I'm going to be adding to my bottle is this glycerine from Dischem, like mentioned previously, and I will just be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this in my small bottle. This is about a 50 ml bottle if I'm not mistaken, and I'm eyeballing the amount that I'm putting in. Glycerine is great if you have dry skin, so using this, just be a bit careful if you have oily skin not to use too much. I purchased this bottle of glycerine for under 10 Rand at Dischem. The next product is the Aloe Vera Gel. This was 50 Rand at Dischem, and I like this because of the formulation it gives, the texture it gives to the spray. It's great for sensitive and even dry skin, and I'm using it because I'm quite sensitive. I'm also adding about 3 tablespoons. This is a product, however, that you don't need to use in this setting spray. Next up, I'm going in with my witch hazel, and I use this even as a toner on my face with my natural skincare regime that I will get to in another video a bit later on. Now I'm adding about 3 to 4 pumps of this. I actually want to dilute everything with water, but if you want, you can even add a bit more of that. And lastly, I forgot to show this, but this is my rose water, but it also has been mixed with glycerine. I'm also adding 3 pumps to this mixture. Rose water is great for dry skin and it smells divine. Lastly, I'm just adding purified water, and you will see it's about the ratio of 1 to 2. But like I said earlier, you can add more of the witch hazel and rose water, and the spray will be a little bit stronger if you prefer. I would suggest that you then do a 1-to-1 ratio with regards to the mixture and water. This mixture is not only great to set your makeup, but you can also use it before applying your makeup as a primer to help keep everything nicely in place. And this is also great to refresh your makeup during the rest of the day. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one.